Kenzie right here, and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're making cloud slime, and I'm super excited because I've tried many times to try to make cloud slime, but it has failed. So that's what we're doing today. If you enjoy this video, make sure to give it a massive thumbs up and click the subscribe button below. I'm super excited, so why don't we just get started? The first thing that we are going to do is make our instant snow. So I'm going to pour it into the bowl and add some water in. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. It's like expanding. I'm going to stir it up so that it gets the entire thing. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Whoa! It's like, look at how much snow it made. This is so cool. I love this. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. You like made such a large amount with so little snow. Like instant snow. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay. Away from our fantasy land. Next, we are going to make the slime. Okay, the first thing that we are going to do for our slime is pour our glue in. Okay. Oops, I just got glue on my table. Sorry about that, everyone. Let me just wipe this up some. Okay. So, the next thing is our foaming face wash. And I'm going to do 5 or 6 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll do one more, just in case. And now it's time for our shaving cream, which is my favorite part, I'm pretty sure. So, I'm just going to do a little squirt about that big. And I'm going to stir it up. Okay, and now I'm going to color it. And you can do any color you want, but I'm going to do a tropic orange. Maybe a little bit more because I want quite a bit of... Oh, it's like... What the heck? It's like not coming out. Oh my gosh. This is like a worm coming out of it. Oh my gosh, it like exploded everywhere. Okay, on the lid. So that should be enough for a light orange color. Okay, and now it is time for our activator. Okay. So I'm going to add a little bit in at a time. I didn't add a lot in actually, but that's okay because you don't need a whole lot at a time. Just a little bit. And you can use whatever activator that you want to use as long as it works. And you're just going to keep adding that. And one thing that you need to do is over-activate your slime. And I know what you're thinking, what? Why would you over-activate that? Then it's like not fun to play with. Well, the fake snow kind of deactivates it and makes it more sticky. So we need to over-activate it so that it doesn't become super liquidy and sticky when we add the instant snow. So I'm just going to keep adding my activator until it is a little bit too activated. Okay. And I'm kind of activating it fast so that maybe it will overactivate a little bit quicker than usual. Okay, so we're going to overactivate it some. And so I think I could add just a tiny bit more, but I think it's pretty overactivated. Activated. Okay, that's a word now. So I'm going to add a little bit more just so that it's got a little bit more of an overactivated texture. Okay, I just put a few drops. Okay. So this is the slime. It's a little bit overactivated so that when we add the fake snow or instant snow, that it will become perfect. Alright, now it's time to add. So I'm going to take my fake snow, instant snow stuff and put it over here. I'm just going to add a handful, which is pretty small. So I'm going to, for me, so I'm going to do 2 of my handfuls. 2 of my handfuls probably equal 1 of your handfuls. And even if your slime does deactivate a whole lot with the fake snow, you can always add more activator. And this is a very messy thing to do. As you can see, it's making the slime a lot bigger and stretchier, and the texture is already changing. It's getting a little bit more sticky. And so, you know, if your slime becomes too sticky for you, you can always keep adding an activator. Okay, so now I'm going to add 2 more handfuls, which would probably be equal to 1 of yours. Okay. However you want to add it is your choice. You can add it all at once or just slowly add it like I am. As you can tell, my slime's getting a little bit more sticky and stretchier though. And it's getting a different texture. And it's getting stickier. Oh goodness, it's getting a little bit sticky. Okay, put it in the bowl and get all of this instant snow. Alright, and now it's time to add a little bit more activator just so that it doesn't get too sticky on me. I'm going to start kneading it with my hands. With my hands? What else would I knead it with my feet? Okay, I'm going to have my cameraman put some more activator on the slime so that I don't have to worry about getting too stuck in it. Look at this cool texture. I like this. This is like the most successful I've been in any cloud slime. And we're not even like quite done yet. So now I'm going to add 2 more handfuls of the fake instant snow. Actually, yeah. Okay, I'm throwing fake snow everywhere. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, so this is the final product, and it's got that really good cloud texture to where when you stretch it, it like tears and makes it kind of look like spider webs. And it's still got that slime texture though, kind of-ish, but you can play with it. It's tiny bit sticky, but it's not bad. And it's just got that really cool looking texture type thing. But this is really cool, and I had so much fun making it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a massive thumbs up. And thank you guys. I hope you have a good next week. Goodbye.